Morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's Chris, Oz Canopies and 4x4 back here again with another instructional. Oz Canopies and 4x4 instructionals are continuing today. What do we got? We are going to get a central locking kit fitted on this Amarok 2H. That's the previous generation Amarok. Should be a pretty straightforward install. Goes into the tailgate, then we just run the wires to the central locking, which I believe is at the fuel flap. Anyway, let's see if I'm right. Let's get into it. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, very, very straightforward. We'll go through the operation of it very quickly while we're at it. It's currently locked. If we go ahead and we unlock using the factory fob, you can see very, very straightforward. The only thing to be mindful of is making sure to not slam the tailgate closed when it's locked, because it is a physical blockage. You might end up breaking the locking mechanism. Anyway, if you want to grab one for yourself, ozcanopies.com.au is the place to go. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one.